Let me introduce myself. My name is Ben Hosres Amin. I am from North Sumatra. On this occasion, I would like to share my opinion about the match between Indonesia versus Bahrain in the 2026 World Cup qualifiers for the ASEAN zone, which was held on October 10, 2024, and ended in a 2-2 draw. The match was very tense, but many spectators felt disappointed due to a controversial refereeing decision. Several decisions were considered detrimental to Indonesia, especially during the stoppage time of the second half, which exceeded the allotted time. The committee for the match provided 6 minutes of added time, but the referee only stopped the game in the 90 minutes. Precisely after the Bahrain player scored the goal that made the score at 2-2 draw. Nevertheless, I am proud that the Indonesia national team played with spirit and never give up. They showed strong character and were able to equalize despite being disadvantaged. From this, we learned that in football, fairness is sometimes tested, but the fighting spirit and sportsmanship must always be maintained. That is my brief opinion. Thank you for your attention.
Hi everyone, I will bring a percentage with the topic, the question word. Title, hi everyone, today I am going to talk about the question words. We ask this word every day when we want to ask something in English. Introduction. So, what are question words? They are words like that, what, where, when, who, why, and how. These words help us to get information and make a conversation flow better. Why they are important? Imagine if we didn't have question words. We could ask simple things like what's your name or where do you live? So question words are really important in daily communication. List of question words. The most common question words are what, where, when, who, why, how many, how much, which, whose, and whom. Question words what. Say, we ask what to ask about things, objects, or information. Example, what's your name? What are you doing? Question word where. Where is used to ask about a place? For example, where do you live? Where is the library? Question word when. We ask when to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday? When do you when do we have English class? Question word who. Who is used to ask about a person. For example, who is your best friend? Who teacher your English? Question word why. We ask why when we want to know the reason. For example, why are you late? Why do you like football? So it's about reason or causes. Question word how. How is used to ask about the why or method. For example, how do you go to school? How are you today? It can mean in what way. Question word how many. Definition. How many is used to ask about quantity. Example, how many books do you have? Question word how much. Definition. How much is used to ask about price or amount. Example, How much is this shirt? Question word which. We ask which to ask about a choice or option. For example, which color do you like, blue or red? Which one is your bag? Question word whose. Whose is used when we talk about ownership. For example, whose book is this? Whose phone is on the table? Question word whom. Whom is a bit more formal and used for the object of a verb. For example, whom did you meet yesterday? But honestly, in daily life, most people just say, who did you meet? Conclusion. In conclusion, question words help us ask for specific information. They are very useful in daily conversations to understand and communicate clearly. Closing. Thank you for listening. I hope my presentation helped you understand question word better. Thank you.